Hello, my name is Don Williams. I'm with Computer Systems Depot. Computer System Depot offer effective computer services for a affordable, very affordable rate. Our prices are probably much lower than our competitions because we don't have the overhead that a lot of companies do. We've been around since 1996, and that's another reason why that our prices might be a lot lower than everyone else, because we have the experience to diagnose and fix the computer issue faster than most, because we know exactly what the issue is. 9 out of 10, we're going to have the answer and the solution already. So, of course, it's going to take you a lot less time to get your computer system back. It's going to take us a lot less time to actually fix the issue, so it's going to be a lot less money for you. Now, I know that there's a lot of competition out there. I know it's a lot of other big companies out there, but the reason why we compete with the big guys is because we offer the highest customer service that you can possibly have. When it comes to customer service, we believe in listening to our customers, because sometimes what they're trying to communicate to us is not always what you might think. Sometimes they have issues that they communicate to us that they may not understand exactly what the issue is. So that it's our job to ask as many questions as we can to make sure that the issue they're having is exactly what we're going to fix. And while we're fixing their issue, if there's any other issues or problems with the computer systems, like a faulty hard drive or bad memory, if there's any other issues, we're going to actually check for that also as part of the diagnostic. So we know that there may not be any other issue. When we give the computer back to you, you know that you're going to get it a very good job. We're going to fix your issue, and if there's any other issue that comes up, we're going to at least let you know about it. And if it's something that you can do yourself, of course, we're going to give you the information to get that done yourself, so you won't have to depend on us for something that you can do yourself if you're one of those do-it-yourselfers. Now, if it's something that you're not able to do, then we're happy to fix any issues you have. Thank you for all your reviews. Thank you for all the phone calls, the thank yous. We appreciate it, and we look forward to doing business with you in the future. Thank you very much.